This tutorial will cover giving and receiving badges in the Cancer Fighters online community. Badges are a great way to celebrate special milestones and show appreciation for fellow Cancer Fighters members. They're small gestures that make a big impact, helping us stay connected, uplift one another, and strengthen this incredible community. Let's get started. From the home page, make your way up to the top and click on My Profile. Once you are on your profile page, scroll down. On the bottom right corner, you'll find the Badges section. Here you can see all the badges that have been awarded to you, whether it's for reaching a milestone, participating in the community, or being recognized by another Cancer Fighters member. It's a great place to reflect on your journey and the support that you've received along the way. You can also give a badge to someone else. Maybe you want to celebrate a friend's progress, thank someone for answering your questions, or simply brighten someone's day. Just select the badge that you would like to give. Choose the member that you would like to give it to. Type in a small message. And send it their way. Badges are a simple but powerful way to support one another in the Cancer Fighters community. Try giving a badge today. You never know how much it might mean to someone.